Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Roblox Executor on a Mac. We will dive into understanding what these tools are and why they can be tricky to implement on Apple's operating system. You'll learn about the most effective methods, including setting up virtual environments or utilizing alternative platforms. My goal is to provide clear, actionable steps, ensuring you have a comprehensive understanding of the process from start to finish. Roblox Executors are powerful tools that let you run custom scripts, but they are typically built for Windows. This means direct installation on a Mac is often not straightforward due to differences in operating system architecture and security protocols. You'll find that many popular executors simply aren't compatible with macOS natively. Understanding these limitations is the first crucial step before exploring any workarounds to get your desired functionality. To use an executor on your Mac, several workarounds exist. One popular method involves setting up a virtual machine, such as Parallels Desktop, which lets you run Windows within macOS. For Intel Mac users, Boot Camp offers a way to install a full Windows operating system directly. Alternatively, cloud gaming services can provide a Windows environment remotely. Each option has its own benefits and considerations, so choose the one that best fits your technical comfort and hardware. When using Roblox Executors, safety is paramount. These tools often come from unofficial sources, posing potential security risks like malware. Always employ a robust antivirus solution and consider using a VPN for enhanced privacy. It's also wise to back up your system before making significant changes. Remember, using executors might go against Roblox's terms of service, which could lead to consequences for your account. Proceed with caution and informed awareness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.